The United States is the only industrialized nation that does not provide health care for all its citizens. About 8.6% of Americans, or 28 million people, did not have health insurance at any point during the year 2020, according to U.S. Census Bureau data. President Joe Biden wants to reduce that number.
Once today's proposed rule is finalized, starting next year, working families in America will get the help they need to afford full family coverage. Everyone in the family.
Biden announced his proposal Tuesday at the White House with former President Barack Obama, who signed the Affordable Care Act, a sweeping health care law known as Obamacare, in March 2010. This is Obama's first return visit to the White House since he left office in 2017.
Joe Biden and I did a lot together.
After 2 terms with Biden as his vice president.
But nothing made me prouder than providing better health care and more protections to millions of people across this country.
Biden's proposed changes to the ACA will fix the so-called family glitch. Based on current regulations, an employee's family members who purchase health coverage through the employer are ineligible for a premium tax credit, even though they need it to afford coverage. The glitch affects about 5 million people, according to the White House. Republican Representative Kevin Brady, the House Ways and Means Committee leader, criticized the move and accused Biden of misusing executive orders. The country's health care is a public-private system, with about 65% of Americans covered by private health insurance and the rest relying on public coverage, including Medicare and Medicaid.
This is a country that is very much oriented toward the private sector, the employer, and the employer providing benefits. That it creates this discontinuity, if you like, between us not having health care that's universal for everyone.
We love Obamacare.
About 55% of Americans support the ACA, according to a recent poll by the Kaiser Family Foundation.
The Constitution matters. The Constitution.
During the Trump administration, Republicans in Congress tried repeatedly to repeal the law but failed. Since Biden took office, enrollment and coverage through the ACA has been at a peak. The law significantly cut the number of uninsured, which once stood at 46.5 million. Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News at the White House.